So your decision is not that am I able to find 3.5 lakh to invest. Your decision is how can I make 3.5 crores. That is the decision that you need to make. Now, you can give yourself an excuse that, oh, I don't have the money. Or you say, you know what, if I have to make 3.5 crores, I need to find the money. Today, if I give you an option that tomorrow you have to buy a property which is worth 1 crore. Okay? And this property will actually become 3 crores within 12 months. Guarantee. If I give you a guarantee of that, and if you don't have the money, what would you do?
Well, 1 crore is again a bigger amount. But if it's the example that you gave, if the scale is lower, I would surely go about it. The scale is lower, but if the scale is not lower, it is a challenge.
It is a challenge, but what are you going to do? Of course, nothing in life, nobody gives you 3 crore in your pocket for free. It is definitely challenging, but what would you do? If I give you a guarantee that within 12 months that 1 crore property is going to become 3 crore, what are you going to do?
So I'll have to arrange that grow, right? That's possible for me at the time.
Exactly right. You would not say that, oh, I don't know, oh, I don't have the money. You will find the money anyhow. You probably will find the partners, you'll find the investors. You say, you know what, just give me 10% or 20%. Your money, my expertise, after this 1 year, property becomes this. You will do whatever it takes. That is what the entrepreneurship is all about, my friend. This is how people do business. This is how people think. And I'm teaching you one of the most important lessons in life. This is how you need to start thinking about your business. That if I have, now let me give you another scenario. If I give you a guarantee that you will make 1 crore from your coaching and mentoring business, what if I give you a guarantee that you will not fail in coaching and mentoring business? You will make at least 1 crore, whether it takes 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. But you have to arrange 3.5 lakh for that. What would you do? What would you do? Sorry, say. See, this is what people don't understand. This is what people don't understand. They think that they're taking a decision of 3.5 lakh, and that's where most of the people fail. I've invested more than 25 lakhs on my self-development in last 2.5, 3 years. But that investment was not 20 to 25 lakhs. The investment that I made was over 1 crore or 3 crores. By next 12 months, I'm all set to make my first $1 million, which is about 6 crores or so. So my investment was not 20 lakhs. My investment was 6 crores. It is just the money that I invested right now was less. Same thing goes with the mentorship programs as well. So don't take a decision of 3.5 lakh. Take a decision of 3.5 crores. And look at few years from now. That's what I look at.